As a child, I like taking things apart, and most of the time I put them back together. Like a lot of folks in this field, I just have a passion for understanding how something works, and when it's not working, why, and how to fix it. That's not how I started in my career with this company, but that passion has led me to where I am today.
Penske Truck Leasing operates one of the largest fleets in the world. We have over 390,000 vehicles. If you consider the future for the transportation and logistics industry, leveraging the power of the data that they've collected over several years will be a main factor in a company's success moving forward. So several years ago, we undertook an initiative called Connected Fleet. And Connected Fleet allows us to receive vehicle data, fault code data, real time from any one of our vehicles out in the field. Our core challenge was trying to find a way to determine through patterns in the data whether we could predict when a vehicle would fail. As we first started working with Hitachi, what was readily apparent to us is how much industry level experience they bring. We really felt that we had a great team to understand how we could better improve our maintenance operations to support our customer.
Guided Repair is an advanced feedback tool that streamlines the repair process for our technicians. Proactive Diagnostics gives our PTS technicians the ability to use connected fleet data to process fleet code information virtually in real-time applications.
We knew we had incredible value with the data we had, but we at the time didn't have the in-house expertise around data science. And so we needed that partnership to help us generate value with that data. We were looking for a partner that would work with us to understand the solution we were trying to design. The level of collaboration that occurred between our team and our counterparts at Hitachi, that really was the success of this project.
Hitachi and Penske have been collaborating for more than a decade on groundbreaking advances in innovation, transportation, and logistics solutions. Penske is a big believer in innovation, and this aligns very well with Hitachi's mission. They're not just a transportation company. They are innovators. They're not afraid to test new solutions and improve their customers' experience, and are very willing to take risks and are always pushing the envelope. The guided repair solution is now used by over 9,700 fleet maintenance technicians in 880 locations around the country. Based on that success, the next logical step was to predict failures before they even happen and build a proactive diagnostics capability which takes this solution to the next level.
Our projects with Penske are real co-creation projects where we have jointly worked together towards a solution. As a result, we are able to successfully build AI solutions that help them reduce their roadside failures, proactively repair their vehicles, guide their technicians, and increase their return on investment. Technology innovation has consistently been a driver for improving the quality of life for people throughout history. Today, data has a big role to play in solving climate and environmental problems.
Strategically, Hitachi is a strong believer in sustainability and quality of life, and we also believe that innovation is key to achieving those goals. What makes Hitachi unique is that we're both an industrial company and a digital company, and we can leverage our resources and expertise to make a positive impact, especially as we're all transitioning to a sustainable future.
Our partnership with Hitachi is really invaluable across all of our businesses. The work we do with Hitachi has helped us expand to new areas of our business, helped us save thousands of man-hours, and has provided us the roadmap and the guidance to confidently move in new directions.